Okay, today we're going to show you how we will replace a AC unit in a Silver Shadow 5x10. And here are the tools required to do this. Down here, got a screw gun, a scissors, screwdriver, a knife, and then we have a number 1 square bit and a Phillips bit for our screw gun. Also the number 2. And then a number 2 4-inch bit, square bit in the screw gun right now. Alright, first we have to take out these panels back here. There's 2 screws to take out. We need access to the ductwork back here to loosen the tape. And that's what we need our knife for. Now we need to take the other panel out on the opposite side. Okay, now we have to loosen this, which is there's 1 screw on each side holding the air conditioner in. Now, pull this out. Now we have to get the power cord out. Now we need a Phillips bit.
You want to get a better view of that, Ed?
Yeah. Okay, now we have the AC unit out. Oh, now we need to put it back in. Basically just reverse the steps we just did. This is how the access area looks up here to get back in here. And around the corner there to cut there's aluminum foil tape here that goes along the top to seal the airflow off. So I had to get in here with a knife and cut that. So we'll have to put another piece of tape on there when we go to put it back in.
How long is that piece of tape that you have there?
Well, whatever width is of your AC, which is, I think is just over 16 inches, I think. Okay, another thing I would like to show you is on some of the other models we have out there, this is a new thing we just did, is install this piece of trim going all the way around. Now, not everyone out there might have that yet. The other units will have a piece of trim up here, wood here, that will have a screw right here and a screw right here holding it in. So that will be another thing you'd have to take off. Alright, here we go. This is how you would install a new one. First, I would have to put the power cord back in.
Sometimes they're on the other side too. Remember, Ed?
Yeah, sometimes instead of over here, power cord being over here, it'll be over here, depending on what AC unit we use. So. There's that. Now push it back there as much as we can. Get that thing in the bottom there. Okay. Okay, that's the position how it's supposed to be. Now this power cord needs to be pushed back. Okay. Now lift this up, make sure the drip pan at the bottom is placed correctly, still in correct position. this side. There we go. Got it back in the same hole. All right, now okay, which we can hardly see back in there, but back in there is where that duct tape is that we need to get sealed around that ductwork back there again. So that's what I'll be doing next. Top is sealed. Alright. Now we need to install these panels again. Just bring them up. There's a slot here to put the bottom in. Put that in first and just push the top back in there. And now we gotta work it around, get it placed correctly. There it popped in. The bottom, nice. So now we need to do put the screws back in. Now we gotta connect the outlet again. Alright, now for time's sake, I'm not going to do that one. But that's basically how we have to put it back in there.